Alright everybody, I'm going to do a quick compression test on this guy. See where we're at. Got the key on. Got a little tub of water because I don't know about the impeller. Got my spark checker. Of course I can turn this off. I got the gas disconnected. Got the little remote switch. Hit that. Should be good to go. Well, that blew gas right by. Well, I see spark of wood. It looks like 100 and something. Yeah, 120. I got spark on both cylinders. Anyway, there's 120. So 128, 120, say 2. 122, 128. So now what do we do? I don't know. Try to start it. He says it needs a new fuel pump, so let's go ahead and change out the fuel pump. I got one of those. Let's clean these carbs. Yeah, I got this Mercury. It's a 55, 1977. So took the carbs off. Gonna clean the carbs. And there's, fuel primer lines and fuel line here. This fuel line here. They just come off of this baffle somebody did. Some of them used to have the VRO pump, but this one's deleted, and this is supposed to go to the air box. It's missing the air box, so I got an air box for it coming. And anyway, I got the carbs over here, just letting them kind of get rid of the stuff, and then take it inside, break them down and clean them. Finally bought a Johnson Mercury pump, water pump for that. So if you try to get any of those cheaper pumps, they're gonna fail. So I had it in a tub, verified it's not pumping. So I've taken the thermostat out of it and everything, trying to make it work. And so this is the story lately. I've got this 25XD, and let's see, Larry's on vacation. When he comes back, we're gonna run his boat, and I was gonna run it, but then it has no seats, and I don't know if I want to drive this without seats. But really nice job he did on this. He totally redid it, painted it, gel coated it, new transom. So that's a 1967. I forgot the name of the boat. I don't want to see if you can find an emblem to put it down here. He got the original horn. He found that horn, and he's got the cleats. And then he's got this really cool light, your navigational light in the front. And what else? Found this light. Put this on here, the cleat. This, he said, all these were pretty bad shape, and he said the windshield, I think he said the windshield wasn't bad at all, so he got lucky there. He repainted the trailer, put some brackets on the trailer. It's a nice, looking trailer. Anyway, he's got that going on, and we're almost done with this. Just waiting on a fuel pump. They sent me a fuel pump. Kind of what happened to Scott's motor, where we ordered a fuel pump and ended up being the wrong fuel pump, but that was the fuel pump it called for. So I'm kind of like Derek. I'm gonna put your peepers on it so you know what's happening there. Yeah, it had kind of kind of a curved portion of the gasket, and that one has a straight line, so it's a triangle pump. But if you look at the bottom, some of the triangle pumps have kind of a, you know, slight horseshoe, where the other pumps had just a straight line. And if you got the ones with the horseshoe trying to do the straight line, it's not sealing off at all, so it would only be partially pumping. Well, I got another pump coming for that. So anyway, that's update. Just cleaning some carbs. Got some water in the thing and the ultrasonic cleaner. Got it just heating up, and then of course I'll have to break these down and put some Pine-Sol, or I think I have Simple Green this time. Either one is really good, so I think I have a big canister of Simple Green. I have both, actually, thinking about it. And the throttle shift cables, how you connect it, is really becoming kind of a problem. Anyway, gotta figure that out. So I don't know if I gotta go, you know, I got a buddy that's got a bunch of manuals somewhere just up on a shelf. Maybe he just happens to have the manual for this, because there's a certain, like, I can shift it into forward and reverse. Like that's probably, what is that? Yeah, so this is, I think that's forward, and then if this right here is how we can tell, because that should be neutral, I think. I don't know. I need to shoot a video on this. So, like, if you turn the prop, see, that's reverse, right? The prop's spinning the other direction. And I just got the spark plugs out so I can just turn this. Anyway, and then you can see it shifts fine. So I believe that's neutral. Maybe not. I don't know. Okay, that's one way or another. See, if we look down in here, there's like a little kind of, so I think that's supposed to be neutral. Yeah, that's neutral. It's just, for whatever reason, it's still turning with it. See, it's not turning. That's neutral. So I need to mark this, you know, and each location, but it shifts. Like, that should be, I think, reverse. Yeah, it is. So maybe mark over here, reverse, and then see, that's forward. You see the prop is, or is it? It should be forward, yeah. Yeah. See how it's going counterclockwise, and the other one was going clockwise. So we're shifting them back again. Remember I said that was reverse. So then if we look, see how the prop is going clockwise? So now we know it's in reverse. So that, there's something to do with how we connect these lines to here and here. But I'm going to mark these somehow, a paint pen or something, like put, you know,